Hello there. I'm happy and excited to see you here. My name is Taisha and I work for Taisha Associates. Taisha Associates help entrepreneurs and small business owners like you to build and grow their businesses through accounting and bookkeeping, taxation, budgeting and planning, audit both forensic and statutory, and even company secretarial services. Today, I'd like to share with you on what you really need to know about financial reporting as a small business owners and managers. Why am I sharing this with you? Over the years, it's been established that of all things, small business owners always lack reports, especially financial reports, to manage their businesses. And this is even creating problems for them, especially when it comes to approaching a financial institution for assistance, and even in having information at their fingertips to run their businesses. So today we'll be talking about what you really need to know about financial reporting as a small business owners and managers. What is financial reporting? Financial reporting refers to the communication of financial information both to internal users or stakeholders and external users and stakeholders. It's just the communication of information, financial information, that relates to the activities and financial transactions of your business. What are the objectives of financial reporting? Number one, it provides information to stakeholders, and in this case it provides information first to the managers in order for them to make decisions. So critically, the objective of financial reporting is to first of all provide information to manage and control the business so that the business can grow and be sustainable. Well, this type of information is good. In fact, is always the real resources that a business needs for survival. Number two objective is to provide information to investors. People might be interested in your business to put in money, so it provides information for them. Then secondly, this one too applies even to the internal users, that is to track the cash flow. It is said in business that cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. So you want to know, where is the money coming to my business? Where is it coming from? You want to know, where is the money from my business? Where is it going? And you can only get this through financial reporting. Lastly, the last objective is that it analyzes the resources available to the business in terms of assets, liabilities, and the owner's equity. What I mean by in terms of assets both in property, plants and equipment, and assets in the liquid form in terms of inventory, account receivable, and even cash and bank balances. All these are in financial reporting. And also, it gives information about liabilities. The objective is to know, is the company utilizing free trade facilities, we call it free trade resources, in terms of your tapping into your vendors giving you credit facility. And also, of course, you want to know, is the capital of the business, is it adequate for the business? So those are the objectives. So shall we look at types of financial reporting? We have two principal types of financial reporting. The first one relates to financial statements. Financial statements which are provided to both the public and the are provided to both the internal and external users. In this case, the financial statement that is provided to the internal users are more detailed, whereas the one provided to external stakeholders are not always detailed, and they always follow disclosure requirements as laid down by law and by accounting standards. So financial statements always comprise of four principal statements. Number one, we have the statement of financial position. Number two, we have the income statement and other comprehensive incomes and other comprehensive income. Then we have statement of equity, statement of shareholders equity. Then we have the cash flow statements. However, this is supported by what we call notes to the financial statement. So you might say that financial statement itself comprises of 5 key areas, though it could be more depending on how the management is looking at providing information. It could be more. It could include value added statement. It could include 5-year summary of the events of the financial statements. So principally we have 4, which is a statement of financial position, statement of income statement, and statement of comprehensive income. Then we have a statement of equity. Then we have cash flow statements. Then the second type of financial reporting is financial reporting too, but it is just a way of communicating information from the company to the public in general. And this could be in form of press releases. It could be in form of shareholders board meeting, especially in the case of public companies. It could be in form of management letters and financial analysis. Of course, those ones are for big companies. And of course, every company, whether small or big, must prepare audit reports. So audit reports is a form of financial reporting to the public also. The question is, how often do I, as a small business owner, need to prepare financial reporting? Well, number one, you need to prepare financial reporting on monthly basis. That is for decision making and control on monthly basis. Every business is supposed to prepare financial reports on monthly basis, so as to assess so as to do health check of their businesses, financial health check, let me put it that way. Then, as business owners, you need to prepare quarterly reports. quarterly report so that you are able to go deeper, analyze the financial statements, see what happened in the same period last year, what happened within the quarter, so that you can know how to prepare for the next quarter. So you need to prepare monthly report and you need to prepare quarterly report. Then lastly, which is compulsory, and that is annual report. This one is very, very important and key in the sense that as you are preparing it for internal use, an audit will be done so that you can have audited reports in which you can, the public, you can send to your external stakeholders like the tax authorities, Federal Inland Revenue Service in Nigeria, and State Internal Revenue Service in Nigeria too. You need to send your report to them as you are filing your report. Then you need to send such reports to Corporate Affairs Commission. At least those two, they are key. And if you are operating in an industry, a regulated industry where they always require this, you need also to do that. Even at times, I've heard that NAFDAC always like to see financial statement of some organization. So, which means you need to prepare audited financial reports for all the external stakeholders. And lastly, I think I've mentioned it, but lastly, let me just go over it again. Who are the users of financial reports? We have said it is used internally by the owners of business and managers. Secondly, it is used by external stakeholders like the tax authorities, Corporate Affairs Commission. Maybe I should just classify it this way. One, let's say the tax agencies. Two, other regulatory agencies like the CAC and others. Then lenders, financial institutions and lenders, banks and so on, who might be interested in giving you money. And well, that's for now. Then some investors might need to look at your financial statement so as to know whether they can put money in your business. Of course, creditors might be interested if they want to extend additional credit facility to you. Creditors might be interested in looking at your financial reports. Also, employees of your organization, their stakeholders, they might want to know how much profit you are making so that they can know how to demand for a raise in pay. And well, customers too might want to know how you are doing so that they can be assured that your business will take them to the future, that your business is sustainable. Well, financial reports is very, very key to any business whatsoever, whether small or big. But this is an area that are always neglected by the small business owners. And I would like to encourage you that from this moment, better start taking it serious, because it has effect of taking your business to a higher heights. Thank you for listening. If you are watching us on YouTube, just subscribe to our channel and click that bell so that you can get notification anytime we have a new video. And also, I'd like to encourage you to share it with other small business owners like you so that they can benefit too. And if you are watching us on Facebook, why don't you just like our page? Like our page.